In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game download is stuck on PS4. So, if it's a disc, what I recommend you do is to take it out of your console and clean the disc and put it back in and see if it begins downloading. If it's a digital game, what I recommend you do is to scroll up and go to notifications. And then once you're here under downloads, what I recommend you do is press X on the download and then pause the download and resume it to see if it begins downloading again. Now, if it doesn't do this, another thing I recommend you try is to restart your console. So press and hold the PlayStation button, go to power, and go to restart and see if that fixes your issue. You could also try disconnecting from your internet and reconnecting on your PS4. That may work. And ultimately, if it's still not doing anything, it's not moving at all, I recommend you cancel and delete the download and then reinstall it from the PlayStation Store. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.